Hey everybody, Ben here with another Clover video of the month. In the past, we've covered a ton of restaurant features, but today we're going to cover how to use the Flex in a retail environment corresponding with both UPCs and SKUs. Starting in the inventory app, we're going to go ahead and create an item. I've gotten ahead of that curve here. I've already assigned a product name and a price point. So the only things we have to do now are to actually scan in the product code. Once I select that field, notice that there is a button here on the left side of the Flex that will trigger the scanner. I'm going to point it at my UPC to start the product code. I'm going to scan that in. Once that's in place, in this example, I'm going to be doing SKUs as well. So same idea, I select the field, scan the SKU, and now we have both of those codes programmed. The next thing we're going to do is head over to that register app where we'll be able to sell these products. Once you've made your way over to the register app, you're going to use that same button to trigger for the scanner, and I'm going to scan the UPC first. We've then added that product here into our cart, and just to show you that the SKUs work the same way, I'm going to scan the same SKU and load that product into our cart as well. So as you can see, as long as the SKU or the UPC are loaded into the device, they'll be able to pull the product within the register when you're attempting to sell that product. Once those items are added to your ticket, if you do review the order, we can see that the Clover Flex was added 2 times. First time was using the UPC, and the second time was through scanning the SKU. At the end of the day, either way, as long as you're scanning the same barcodes that occupy those fields, the product will be brought forward and allow you to sell it. The last thing we would do at this point is hit the pay button and actually take a payment. As you can see, it's pretty easy to program those barcodes into the device itself. One thing we did want to cover before we let you go is the difference between your SKUs here and your UPCs. SKUs are going to be self-generated, while UPCs are created by the manufacturer. Regardless of which one you choose to use, or both, as long as they're programmed into those fields, as you saw, they'll bring up the item in the register when scanned. That being said, thank you for attending another Clover video of the month. Hopefully that helps you build some efficiency in that retail business of yours.